Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. Optimism looks very interesting at the moment. It's a coin that I've been talking about for a long time now. It is a coin which already here had a first chance to reverse to the upside. In the end, it was only a B wave in what I believe is a larger wave 2. What is happening here at the moment looks promising for now. It was also time for it to reverse to the upside, because any lower than this would probably create problems to the longer term, let's say bullish potential of the chart. But my view for Optimism is that it is moving to the upside, that it is in an uptrend. It's a very young chart, so we always need to be careful. It doesn't have a very long chart history, and sometimes these moon charts just don't work out. Just a warning, it is a young coin, risk is here, absolutely, but it is a coin, one of the few coins that actually have a decent trade setup at the moment. So my view is, obviously we talked about this, that this here was a wave 1 to the upside, an impulse to $2.24. We came down, reached the area between the 88.7% fib level and the 61.8 fib level, between 61 or 62 and cents, and $1.11. Anywhere in here, a reversal to the upside is possible. If we drop below this level, invalidation is very likely, and we are most likely going to drop below 41 cents, which means that if we drop below 62 cents, I think we're also going to see us break below 41 cents. And then in that case, the move to the downside is turning impulsive, and it means that the trend to the downside hasn't been broken yet, and we are still moving down further. But at the moment, it seems like we give it a go. We try to reverse currently in this green area. We're obviously far away from getting out of the, let's say, the deep waters. What would be a level? At the moment, we can focus on higher. Absolutely. I mean, we had a support level here. And by the way, if you're asking yourself, when did he ever talk about the coin? Yes, I made videos weeks ago, but I cover these interesting charts, opportunity coins I call them, every week for channel members. So we've got a few other ones in there in these member only videos. Optimism is one of them, right? And we've been waiting for a reversal, and it could be that it's occurring now. My view is that here at the low, that this was the end of a 5-wave move in a wave C of 2. And that we're now pushing higher. We can see 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave is happening now. That is a good sign. So we see 5 waves to the upside. That is what we always need to see. That is the first signal that things are changing to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5th wave. That pushes ideally a little bit higher. After that, what do I want to see? So this here would be considered a wave 1. And after that, I would be looking at an ABC correction to the downside. If this is going to hold the 78.6% fib level, and I can't give you an absolute number because this wave 5 might push a bit higher, but let's say we've topped now at 88 cents, then it needs to hold on the way down at it must not go below the 68.8 cent level. I mean, a wick below that doesn't really matter, but if it goes below it, stays there, you can see it doesn't recover, then this will probably not work out as a bullish count. But at the moment, it is looking likely. We've got a 5-wave move to the upside. A lot of coins haven't done that in the last few days, but Optimism did. Now I want to see a 3-wave move down. I mean, for me, this is now too late to get in. Optimism isn't one that I did get into. I did get into Aave, for example, and Chili's. So they also look decent, and Ethereum. But here, this is for me not chasing green candles. I would now, and I might actually go long then, I'm now waiting for this pullback in a wave 2, because this, again, the 5-wave move up would be considered a wave 1. This can stretch out a bit further, no problem. But then I would be looking at the wave 2 and scale in this area, probably between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement. And then I would expect this is going to hold and we move up in a wave 3. As always, are these support levels guaranteed to hold? Of course not. But again, this is the beauty of the Elliott Wave method. It allows you to identify high reward, low risk trade setups. Because you can scale in directly at support. You know the invalidation points and so on. So you can really scale in as close as possible to support. But how that works, I did explain in previous videos, also in member live streams in detail. And yeah, what could be a possible target for this fifth wave? It could be finished now. It fulfilled the minimum requirements. It moved above the wave 3. But one key way of calculating a wave 5 target is we measure the length of the wave 1. We add it to the low of the wave 4. And first target would actually be the 91.4 cent level. That is here the 1-to-1 ratio. And a possibly even better target would be the 1.618 extension at 98.8 cents. So this is sort of where I would expect either at 91.4 or 98.8 it to top out. Bear in mind, we've got the 50-day moving average coming down here that might also provide some resistance. That is at 93.3 cents at the moment. But yeah, after that, if we get the 5 waves completed, which are about to finish, then this would be a wave 1. This here is the wave 2. That might be suitable for scaling in. Must not drop below the 78.6% fib level, and then it would provide an interesting long setup that could take us higher in a wave 3. And very important, generally structurally, yeah, also to get more confidence that this is not just a bearish rally, would be to break, we need to break eventually above this 99 cent level, the previous wave 4 high. If we manage to break above that high, then it will invalidate bearish possibilities, because at the moment, theoretically, this could be still in a wave 5, yeah. It could only be the first wave down. This would be the wave 2, and we will come down lower in a wave 3, 4, 5, so really could go to near 0. This would be the bearish possibility, which, for me would be confirmed if we drop once more below 63 cents. But at the moment, it's looking good. At the moment, we can focus on higher, but I would not chase green candles now. We're far away from support, but that's only me. You can do what you want. I would personally wait for a retracement now. Okay, and that's my update about optimism. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.